Good morning, members of the City Planning Commission. My name is Layla Law-Gisiko. I'm the president of the City Club of New York. While the intent of the City of Yes for housing opportunity to increase housing is commendable, very commendable actually, the proposal as it stands fails to meet the urgent need of our city, particularly in terms of affordable housing. The City of Yes may be a housing proposal, but it is not really an affordable housing proposal. Many wrongly assume that increasing housing supply will automatically result in more affordable housing. This is a dangerous misconception. Housing economics are very complex. Research actually shows that solely relying on the market and failing to address the various submarkets will predictably fail to address affordable housing needs. Benefits for the wealthy do not trickle down to everyone else in the unregulated housing market. For the same reason, the gourmet food store does not solve hunger. Other jurisdictions have recognized this and mandate affordable housing without relying on zoning incentives. New York must mandate affordable housing. This proposal threatens also to reduce the quality of housing by allowing reduced standards in housing quality, such as smaller setbacks and no minimum unit size. We risk creating substandard living conditions. Jacob Rees, an historic advocate for improved living conditions, would be deeply disappointed. The initiative also fails to assess the environmental impact of new housing developments. There is no planning for the additional infrastructure needed to support these developments, such as hospital beds, school seats, parks, and other essential services. So we very much look forward to the final EIS to actually see what these mitigations will be. And oversight could lead to strained resources and diminished quality of life. The transfer of development rights from landmarks also raises significant concerns. This mechanism could result in the creation of disproportionately large towers. We know what happens with unregulated lot assemblage. We've seen the damage caused by the super tall towers, mega large apartments for the super wealthy international real estate collector, and certainly not housing for the middle class. These Frankenstein buildings could erode our urban fabric, often at the expense of existing middle-income housing. We are faced with a proposal that aims high, but unfortunately fails short. It seeks to increase housing, but neglects affordability and quality. The goal is laudable, but the policy will inevitably collapse under its own contradictions. It is not fatal, though, so we must demand mandatory affordable housing provisions, protect our housing standards, ensure local oversight, especially by the City Council, and plan for the necessary community infrastructure. The City Club opposes this proposal as drafted. Instead, we urge you to reconsider the text and strive for zoning changes that truly serve all New Yorkers. And I want to quickly add that saying no is not a punishing reflection on the department or an act of hostility. Please see it as a civil act, part of participatory democracy, a firm nudge to you to improve the text. Please show us that our voice matters. Thank you.